YouTube, I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be unboxing my package that I received from the Crayon Case. So y'all keep watching. So this video is really long overdue. I received these goodies as a gift for Christmas, and I was supposed to do this video, but I'm here now. That's all that matters. So for starters, this is how the package comes. It comes in a box like this, the name, the address and stuff, but this is how the package comes. Priority mail, 1 day, period. No 12-week shipping like some of y'all, but this is how it's shipped. And then in the inside, when you open it up, it looks like this. See, so that's really, this is like the cutest packaging that I've ever received from a company, and this is my first time receiving stuff from the Crayon Case, so I'm really excited to start using it, so stay tuned for that. But there's tissue paper in the inside that also has the Crayon Case written on it, so that's cute. You receive your shipping label with all your items on here, and then you also receive a little merchandise return card just in case you have to return anything. This is really cute, and these are all the things that I have received. I got this, so I received the pencil brushes, 7 of them come in, and what I really like about them, I'm gonna open them so I can show y'all. They tell you what each pencil is for, if y'all can see. So I'm like an amateur makeup artist, so some brushes I know how it looks, some of them I don't. So I really like that it lets me know what brush is used for what, so I'm really excited to use these brushes. I also got a brush cleaner, which is really essential for makeup use. I got the eye glue stick, which is really cool. I got the Hall Pass collection. I believe this is lip gloss. I'll show y'all the color. So the color is Private Party, but I want to show y'all how it looks. It's gloss, so I can't wait to use this. I also received the Make Me Blush palette. So one of the cool things that I like about this palette, one thing I really like about the palette is that you can use it as eyeshadow, blush, highlight, all of that. It's a really versatile palette, and I really like it. So I can't wait to use this. And then the last little goodie that I received was something that I've really been wanting for a very long time, and that is the Box of Crayons palette, which is really my favorite gift out this whole little ensemble that my mom got me for Christmas. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use it. All of these beautiful colors. Can y'all see? And one of the cool things that I like about both of the palettes that I received, they do have a mirror that comes with it, and I feel like that's really good because I do have my ring light. I have a little makeup light thing, but this, with these little mirrors that come with it, I'm able to get really up close and personal with putting on my eyeshadow. So I'm really excited to use all of this stuff. I will probably do a tutorial on a look that I do with the Box of Crayons in the Make Me Blush palette. But you all should go shop with the Crayon Case. It is a black owned business. Y'all all know who Super is. But I would products that I received. Look out for my video tutorial on using these products. I'm really, really excited to use them. I would have been used them, but like I said, this video is very, very, very prolonged, and it was time for me to get it done. So here I am. I did it. But like I said, make sure y'all go shop with Super, and I really hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. As always, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.